Let's take a look at a series of major events that have recently occurred in the universe and the Earth. First, it was confirmed that the black hole was indeed rotating. Then, it was the time when scientists simulated the extinction of humans. Then, it was just now that Noah brought humans into the age of Amiel. This really subverted human cognition again. Let's take a look at it together. First, the black hole was confirmed to be rotating. Do you still remember this picture of the M87 black hole? It is a black hole 65 times larger than the Sun. Now, scientists have finally confirmed that it is rotating. This also proves Einstein's correctness of the black hole deflation effect again. This study was discovered by imaging technology. The pendulum cycle of the M87 black hole shock current occurs once every 11 years. This kind of shock current is also called the black hole's spray particle current. They oscillate at a speed of light and have a cycle of 11 years. So, it is confirmed that the black hole is rotating. Second, the time of the extinction of humans is confirmed, according to natural reports. British scientists simulated the time of the extinction of humans 2.51 years later. At that time, the continents on the Earth will merge into supercontinents. This will cause the Earth's climate to change and the temperature to rise. A large-scale volcano eruption will break out all over the world. At that time, all lives will be extinct, like the 60-million-year-old dinosaur. But after all, it is 2.51 years. For the lives of humans over 100 years old, this time may not be seen until they are reborn 2.5 million times. But according to the current environmental deterioration, humans may not even last 200 years. Third, humans entered the age of Amiel. In the age of no camera, people can't even see the number of times a bee beats its wings. 24 years ago, humans were able to use the fastest camera in the world to see the transition of chemical molecules in the process of reaction. This year, scientists can use the fastest camera in the world to see the electron in the molecule. So, the human observation speed is thousands of times faster, from flying seconds to 8 seconds. This is a kind of light pulse. It is a kind of ultraviolet light that can shoot electronic motion in the microworld. They used this kind of research equipment to win the Nobel Prize in physics this year. Fourth, a new super-Earth was discovered. Recently, a new super-Earth, K2-18b, because it has a rich atmosphere layer and the surface covered by the seawater, it is also called the Aquarius. This time, the microspace telescope detected a gas sign that can only be produced by living things, which is a molecule that is called a two-forked current. On Earth, this gas generally exists in marine floating plants. If this gas is confirmed, then this planet will become the best planet to find extraterrestrial life. But because it is 120 light-years away from the Earth, it is still impossible to land in a short time. Fifth, the hottest record in history has been broken, according to the preliminary analysis of this week's climatologists. In September this year, the average temperature on Earth was 0.5 degrees higher than the highest record at the same time. This is another breakthrough since the July global average temperature record was broken, also known as the hottest September ever recorded. Obviously, this unusual temperature is the result of climate change and the Arminian phenomenon caused by human activities. In the future, it will accelerate the melting of glaciers and the rise of the sea level. Perhaps in a few hundred years, some countries will disappear. Thousands of people will be left behind. The sixth mass extinction will accelerate the year.